This is the Heavies. I'm going to be doing BBQ. I'll be using all scout team because I have a quest for it. As you see, here's Glenn. He's got interrupt, 80% and 15% luck. And his character has 7% luck and dodge. We have Carolyn. She's got the fast strike and it's basically a little luck. And we have 80% interrupt here as well. And actually, I'm going to try to increase. No, I'm not going to do that with Shannon. And if she already had luck, I would. But it'd be Carolyn. That would I would upgrade her traits, but save that for later. So basically, Glenn and Carolyn are going to be the interrupters, and Shannon's just a little extra damage. Oh, it's a very good setup right here, too. Oops, a little further than I wanted to move her, but that's all right. Actually, what I'm going to do is move Carolyn and Glenn up. Oh, I'm surprised the other one didn't come down. I thought the other tank was going to come down, but it didn't happen, so let me speed this up a little bit. Well, if that's going to be the case. All that for one silver ticket. I see how it is. Evil NG. I'm going to watch the video. I'm not going to make you watch it.